Hi, good morning, friends. How are you today? Welcome back to my English class. Anyway, thank you so much for your video about your favorite restaurant, your favorite food in that restaurant, and how the food is cooked. So now I'm going to review a little bit about our lesson last Monday. There are so many places to eat, right? There's restaurant, cafe, food court, food stall, or even food street. And each place should have this. Yes, the menu. It shows the different dishes and groups. Do you still remember parts of the menu, friends? There are 3 parts of the menu. First, we call it with starters or entry. It's a small first course. For example, it's like salad, soup, or nachos. Second one, we call it with main course. It's the biggest dish of the meal. Usually, it consists of rice, noodle, steak, etc. And the last one, my favorite one, is dessert, a sweet course. It's like pudding or ice cream. We've also learned about different ways of cooking the meal. Do you still remember? Stir fry is frying in a pan with only a little oil. Roast is cooking in a hot oven or over a fire for some time. Boil is cooking in a hot water. Steam is cooking using the steam from hot water. Bake is cooking in a hot oven. Grill is cooking using heat from below. And fry is cooking in a frying pan with some oil. Here's the example how food is cooked. Now, since we do everything by online, I believe all of you are familiar with email. Have you ever written an email, friends? Here's an example of an email from your textbook, page 6 to 7. It's Kevin who wrote the email. He's telling about his experience eating in a new restaurant. On your workbook, there's also an example of an email from Peter. Please open your workbook, page 5. Now, I want you to read that email, and later on, please answer the questions on your workbook, capture it, and please submit it in Google Classroom. And we've also learned about parts of the menu and different ways of cooking, right? Please open your workbook, page 9, and fill the blank, and also capture it and send it to Google Classroom. Don't forget to write down your name on the top of the paper. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.